I think I'm gonna love these. I was crazy like trying to find them as soon as I heard that they launched. These are from Physicians Formula. It's like a duo bronzer blush situation. I believe there was 4 shades. I have never been more excited to put this on my face. So these are the Butter Glow and Go sticks. You have a bronzer and blush situation. Colors are on the back, which I love. Luna is on my lap. If you see a tail, it's her. Yeah, so they're a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie. They're about $17 each. I got mine at CVS and I had like extra bucks. But you can probably get them on Ulta. Ulta always has like coupons. I will link it down below. There's the tail I was talking about. Okay, this feels pretty like luxe. I mean, granted, the packaging it's plastic, but the color, and it does have a nice weight to it. Okay, this is the Sunkissed Rose. There was a berry tan and then like a brighter one. I passed on that because first of all, these are expensive. So if I were to get all 4 of them, I would have been spending close to $70. But I feel like those were a little bit too dark for me. And I want to use these. I want to buy stuff that I'm actually going to use. All right, swatch this one first. Oh yeah, that's very creamy. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it has like it reminds me of the beach. Like tanning lotion, but more subtle. That's the first color. Very creamy formula. I've always been a fan of the Physicians Formula bronzers, whether it's like the creamy ones or the powder one. The powder ones are amazing. And then this is the lighter one. This is Beachy Pink. And then this is the pink color. I don't know why. I was like, even in the promos, like I was so drawn to this pink color for some reason. The 2 bronzers are not the same. I thought it was the same. Hold on. Let's swatch the bronzers on this side because I want to make sure I'm giving you the right information. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. This is the one that's with the pink. That one is actually a little bit cooler. And then the one that's with the rose is a little bit warmer. But I think both will be fine with my skin tone. I already have foundation on. If you're curious, I've been trying the Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum. It's like a perfect match for me right now. It's 2WN. Okay, I want to put these on my face. Now, these are very creamy. I don't think it's going to disrupt anything. I'm going to do one on one side, one on the other side. I would probably, if I was not wearing like makeup, I would probably just throw this on like on a no makeup day directly onto my skin. But because I have foundation on, I'm just going to put some on the palm of my hand. And again, this one is Sunkissed Rose. I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to pick it up. I just want you to see, like, it's so creamy. I apologize. My hands are very, very dry. And I'm just going to put some on my forehead. Really pretty color. Let me make it a little bit deeper. Blends so good onto the skin. This is reminding me of like the beach. I wish it was warm now. Color is buildable. That's a second layer. Super nice. Look at that sheen. It's a very moisturizing formula. All right, I'm gonna take that berry shade and I'm gonna put it on this side. I feel like these are either gonna be underrated or a huge, huge hit. I feel like it's gonna be a huge hit. The formula is really nice to work with. So I mentioned before it was like $17, but what's nice is you are getting 2 products for that price. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm just gonna pop some onto my lid. I like it. I'm gonna use this Danessa one. It's Danessa in my Kitco. I got it in a kit. You can't get it by itself, at least not at the moment. Okay, now this is the Beachy Pink one. This is the lighter one that I was like, it's a little bit cooler. So I don't know how this is gonna look as a bronzer on me, but we're just gonna see. Okay, it's nice. It's a little more subtle, but because it's cooler. I feel like it's almost acting slightly as a contour. Look how, like, I just wanted you to see. It's very, very moisturizing and emollient. Yeah, that's like cool. It's gonna be perfect if you're like fair porcelain skin. I think it's gonna be perfect for you. But it's still like, it's still warming up my skin. It's still acting as a bronzer. I'm gonna take some to my, oh, that's nice. Look at that, like as a transition color or just a no makeup kind of. I just took the bronzer to my crease. That definitely did something. Okay, I like these. The pink side we're gonna put on as a blush. It's like a baby doll Barbie pink, and I don't know why I was like a moth to a flame drawn to it. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that pink a lot, actually. Now, I will say, I like that. It's like on the borderline of being a little bit gray. I would probably do either or. I wouldn't do them together. I think it's like, it's too cool. The pink is definitely a cool pink. And when you throw that on top of a cooler bronzer, on my skin tone, it just looks a tad gray. Just like a teeny bit. So what does that tell me? It says to me that if you're tan or deeper rich skin tone, I don't think this shade is gonna work for you. But this time around, they launched, like I said, 4 colors, and it was like for light to medium, medium to tan, and the dark rich skin tone. So I think that you should definitely check these out. If these have caught your eye and you're like, yeah, I think I wanna try them. These are nice. These are really good. I think they're gonna be really popular. So go get them before they sell out. Use coupons, use whatever. Again, $17, but you could probably save money when you go buy it. Beautiful, love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.